different styles and color combination. So please guys, watch the video till the end so you don't miss another amazing design. Celebrate the times to be with your baby shower and make your day extra special with these beautiful designs. Get amazing party decoration ideas from this video. Like any design, you can take screenshot of it, and if you want to see more decoration ideas, please visit the my channel. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit the like button and do share with your family and friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for